Good morning, students. Today we will study about the topic parts of speech. As you know, from today I am going to start practice book. Okay, so there is description of parts of his speech. This is the first topic. Okay, you will see in your book, in practice book. Okay, first of all, we will discuss about the definition of the definition of parts of speech. What is parts of speech? Words are divided into 8 parts according to their use. This division is called parts of speech. Okay, everything is clear in this definition. Means words are divided into 8 parts according to their use. Okay, and this division is called parts of speech. Okay, this is the definition of parts of speech. Okay, and there are 8 parts: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. I will tell you one by one. What is noun? Noun is the name of person, place, or thing. Okay. Example: Rohan, name of person; Delhi, name of the place; table, name of the thing. Okay, etc. Second, pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. वो शब्द जो कि प्रोनाउन के स्थान पर नाउन के स्थान पर यूज होते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं? प्रोनाउन. सपोज दे आर प्लेइंग इन द फील्ड. हियर दे वर्ड इज प्रोनाउन. Okay, because you can write here Ram and Shyam are playing in the field. In place of Ram and Shyam, we can use here they word. Okay, it is substituting word. Noun is the naming word. It is substituting word. It means किसी संज्ञा के स्थान पर जो शब्द प्रयुक्त होता है उसे प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. Okay. Now we will discuss about the next definition. Adjective. What is adjective? An adjective is a word which is used to qualify a noun or a pronoun, which modifies noun or pronoun. Okay. Sita is a good girl. Girl or good girl. So good word is here. Good word is adjective. He saw an old man. Man. What type of man? Old man. Old is, this word is qualifying the noun man. So old will be adjective. Okay. Verb, you know very well. You have read in previous class, in previous year. Okay. A word is a word. A verb is a word which denotes an action. Okay. Action words are verbs. Okay. He plays. What he does? He plays. Plays word is action word, so it will be considered as verb. Ram reads a book. Ram reads a book. Reads word is action word. It will be considered as verb. I drank a glass of water. Drank word is verb. Okay. Next, adverb. An adverb is a word which modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Okay. Example: he writes neatly. How he writes? He writes correctly. Neatly you can also write. Writes correctly. Correctly word modifies the verb writes. So corrective word is here an adverb. Okay. You are a very good man. You are a very good boy. good is adjective here, boy is noun, and good is qualifying boy, so good will be adjective, and just before adjective it means very word is used here. Okay, so very it means कैसा लड़का है, एडजेक्टिव को भी, एडजेक्टिव के पहले आया हुआ एडजेक्टिव को भी मॉडिफाई कर रहा है, सो वेरी वर्ड विल बी कंसीडर एज एडजेक्टिव एडवर्ब. ओके, it means very word is qualifying an adjective. He runs, he, you can write here runs, there is mistake. He runs he runs very quickly, he runs very quickly, you will write here runs, he runs very quickly. It means quickly word is here adverb, and very word is adverb. Understood? Because very word is qualifying and quickly. Okay, so it is adverb. Now we will discuss about preposition. What is preposition? A preposition is a word which is used before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with another noun or a pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with another noun or pronoun. Means it can be used before a noun or pronoun, and it tells us about the relation between noun or pronoun to another noun or pronoun. Okay, suppose he went to Aligarh. He is already pronoun here, which is used in beginning, and Aligarh is also name of the place, so it will be noun. So two preposition is used just before Aligarh. Aligarh is noun and it is used just before a noun, and it is telling us the relation between he and Aligarh. Who went? He went to Aligarh. There is relation between he and Aligarh. Okay, so two will be considered as preposition. The book is in the bag. Here in is preposition because it is telling the relation between the book and bag. Bag is noun. The book is also a noun. Okay. The cat is sitting under the table. The cat is a noun and the table is another noun. And under is telling the relation between them. So under will be considered as preposition. Understood? Now we will discuss about seventh part conjunction. Conjunctions are joining words. It joins two words, two or more words and sentences. दो या दो से अधिक शब्दों को या सेंटेंस को जोड़ने वाले शब्द को क्या कहते हैं? कंजंक्शन, संयोजक. Sohan and Hari came here. Sohan is noun and Hari is also noun, and what is joining together? And is joining together Sohan and Hari. So and will be considered as conjunction. I need both pen and pencil. Both and both are conjunction. Okay, both means दोनों. मुझे पेन और पेंसिल दोनों चाहिए. He did not work yet he passed. उसने बिल्कुल काम नहीं किया फिर भी वो पास हो गया. Yet it means फिर भी. It is used as a conjunction. Okay. Ram as well as his brother went to Delhi. Ram उसका भाई भी कहाँ गए? Delhi गए. So as well as is here used here as a conjunction. Okay. Now we will discuss about interjection. What is interjection? An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden or strong feelings of our heart. Okay. Hooray, the game is over. Bravo, you have done well. Hello, how are you? Alas, he is dead. You can use oh, 5. You can use lots of words. It means which expresses through our hearts. It means which we express suddenly. It means Suppose I have seen a snack and I said, oh my god, it's a big snack. So this word is, oh my god, is here exclamatory word. In the same way in this line, hooray, hooray, bravo, hello. These words are interjection words. I hope you all understood the definition of parts of speech and its kinds: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Okay, I will give you an exercise to do it. Okay, you will write all the definitions in your fair copy, in your grammar copy, neatly, and you will do these questions in your notebook yourself. Okay, you will write a sentence and you will write the name of the parts of speech here, which kind of parts of speech is used here. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.